Welcome to my channel Key to Employability. Today we are going to resume my session MS Word with day 5 lesson. So before we go to the day 5 session, we are going to see whatever we have done in our last session. In the day 4 session we have done styles group and how to create style and find and replace, and lastly we have saved the document. And today we are going to learn these things are to be discussed. Let's see cover page, the importance of cover page, blank page, page breakup, then table. Then in the table we are going to learn insert table, draw table, convert text to table, convert table to text, and quick table. These are the things we are going to learn. So all the details regarding my video you will get a PDF file link in my description box. You can download that PDF file link for your practice. First of all, let me start with cover page. So let me start with cover page. So last day we have done, up to this find and replace we have done, and now I am putting my cursor here. So let me start with cover page. Cover page, suppose I have made a document of 4 pages. As you can see, I have made a document 4 pages. So it's about Word. Okay. So I'm going to put a cover page. So Microsoft Office MS Word is giving a by default cover page. Cover page means the front page of the book. So how to insert the front page of the cover page or front page of the book? So go to insert, and from here pages group. So cover page, there are many cover pages are given, so they are already by default, these are cover pages are given. So we can put here any of the cover page you can take. So I am going to take here this cover page. So it will be inserted wherever you put your cursor, it doesn't matter, it will appear at the first. So document title I am going to put here. Document title I am going to put here. It's a basic, it's a MS Word 2016. I have put here name here. So title, it's author, I am putting my company name, author is me, I am putting my name, company name is Key to Employability, I am putting my name, company address, I am putting nothing here, I am putting nothing. So it will be, so just we have done the cover page. So if you press Ctrl P for print out, so it will be showing here like this, it's a cover page, right? So you can put 5 pages, you can see here like this, 5 pages. Okay, so I am going to escape here. So let me come to the 5 number page, at the end page I am coming. So cover page. So cover page also you can insert a end page also. Okay, how to insert a end page? Click here. So take a right click from any document, any of the I am going to take filigree or I am going to take here this one, the better one, this one. I am going to right click, it is not click, it is right click. So they are giving many options. So I am going to put here insert insert at the end of the document. So it will be inserting at the end of the document. Okay, so now, so this is how I am going to save it. So next one, blank page. How to take the blank page? Suppose now I am going to take a blank page. So how to take a blank page? It is, what is the importance of blank page? Suppose I am not going to write anything from in this page, I am going to take a completely a fresh page. So how to take this? From this insert tab, click here pages group, click here blank page. So completely they will provide you a blank page. See, it is blank page. Okay, next one, page break. Page break is most important. In the blank page I have to, suppose I am using rand I'm using rand. I'm going to use 5 paragraph using rand command. So 5 paragraph I have taken, and I'm going to make it justified. Suppose page break means what is the difference between page break and blank page? Blank page is giving completely a page that is blank, and page break means suppose I would like to break my page from here. So page break, from any point of place of the page you can break that page. Means suppose you want to break your content, along with your content you want to break your page from here. So put your cursor here, so click at the, you see the page break option is given here. You can click here or press Ctrl Enter. So along with the content it will come to the next page. Page break means from that page point of place your page is going to be broken, right? So this is the importance of page break. Suppose we don't want to need anything to be written on the last page after this one, so that's why I have broken the page. Okay, now the importance of table. So what is the importance of table? Suppose I need to write my qualification, my details in a format of this, means year, name. Suppose I am going to make this kind of, how to make it table. So insert tables. So there are many tables are predefined. So 10 into 8 means this is called, suppose I am taking 2. Okay, I am taking 2. So I am taking 2 and tab. How much tab you will be giving? It will be, inserting another tables row. So let me tell you about this row and column. So you can click here, so it will be inserting. So this is, this is called column. So 3 column I have inserted, and this is called row. So we can, this is the plus sign, we can insert a row by clicking a plus sign here. We can click here. So otherwise we can modify my table from here also. Design and layout table. Design and layout tab we are getting from table tools. If you click outside of the table, so it will be not appearing. If you click in the table, so it will be appearing. You can do the things. You can change your table from this view. Design tab and layout tab. So I'm going to delete this. How to delete? Make it more easier. Select this, backspace. So shift cell to the left, then OK. So it will be deleted. So I'm going to put here, right here, I'm going to put here name of the exam. Now I'm going to tab board, college or university. Now you can change here if the spelling is mistaken. So you can change here. There is a spelling city, S-I, university. Then you can put here remarks like this. You can make it bigger or the smaller like this, whatever. If you want to make a bill, so you can use the table. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. Name of the exam, I am writing ABC, board BBC, remarks A+, I am writing. So this is how. So the thing is that if you click here, more things to be learned. From the layout tab, we can draw table, we can erase table, we can delete, insert. These are the things we can use. Design tab, we can take any table styles from here. So I'm going to select here. So you see each and every table style if I take, so it will be changing. So I'm going to take here, which one is good one. So I'm going to take here this one, grid table for Ascent 5. So it's lovely, right? I'm going to Control S. So this is how we have created the table. Now the next one is that insert table, draw table. Draw table is most important. How to draw a table? Click here, draw table. So you can draw your table as per your choice. Now you can done, draw table. You can erase your table from eraser. We do not need this, we do not need this, we do not need this. Okay, you can escape here. You can delete the whole table. Select here, backspace, simple, Control S. This is how we can draw the table. Next one, convert the text into table. Suppose I have written something. Suppose A, B, C. I have written. Then I have put comma. Then I put B, B, C. Then I put comma. Then I put A plus. So these are the things. Whatever you have written, you just write here. You just write here and use always the separator. This is called separator. Whatever separator you are giving, always remember what the separator you are using. Either comma, space or tab, whatever the things you are using, or the paragraphs you are using. So I am going to select this one. Until and unless you select, it will not be highlighted. Suppose I have written this one and go to insert tab and tables here, and convert text to table would not be highlighted until you select. After selection, go to insert and table, convert text to table. A dialog box will be appearing. Automatic the number of columns they will be taking, and the separate they have already taken. They are giving paragraph, commas, tabs and other. Suppose whatever the separator we have chosen, you have given here, it's not here. So you have to click here other and put here other things. Suppose I have given here space. Instead of comma, I have given here space. I have given here space. Okay. Now I am going to select this. Go to table. Go to convert text to table. So space is not here. So I am going to put here. Click other. I am going to put here space. Then OK. So it will be immediately converted into table. And next one is the convert text to table. Next one, convert text to table. It is table. Now table to text, how to convert? Select the table, then go to layout tab. So in the data group, so convert to text. So how you want to convert this? Paragraph or tab wise or comma wise or others? So I'm going to put others. I'm going to put here space. So okay. So see here, it's done. It's very simple. Now I'm going to save my task, today's task. Okay. And lastly, quick table. Quick table is more important. Suppose the thing is that I'm going to insert a quick table. Quick table is just like a table. Suppose you want to take any of the table. Suppose this one, these are the table. I'm going to take here. I'm going to put here quick table. So I can put here any item here, any needed. So these are the ready-made table. So you can put here books. You can put here, instead of needed 5, then we can put here 10. So whatever you can put, you can changes here. So these are the things we don't need. So you can delete this one. Backspace. Okay, we don't need this. So this is how we can use the quick table. This is very easy and very utilized. Okay, now I'm going to save it. So hope you understood my video, and as I said, you will get the link below. If you are having any questions, you can ask me over the comment box. Thank you for watching my video.